In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable your network adapter on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select network and internet. And then on the right side, scroll down and select advanced network settings. And then at the top underneath network adapters, select the disable option to disable your network adapter, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.